How to move your taskbar to center on Windows 11. So by default on Windows 11 it will already be on the center of whenever you install it, but for some reason if it's not habitual and then you want to move to the center, or maybe from the center you want to move to the left, either way what you have to do is look for an empty space at the bottom of your taskbar, right click on it and go to taskbar settings. Then when you go to taskbar settings, over here you want to scroll down and you can see taskbar behaviors. Make sure to select task behaviors, and here you can see alignment. So currently mine is to left, but you can select this and center it if you want to, or from center if you want to move to the left. That's totally upon your own choice. And this way you will be able to move your taskbar from either center to left or left to center, vice versa. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.